A very good day for football today. Very good meetings we held with the FIFA and CAF delegation, who came for the mission to try and of course resolve some matters that had occurred within the federation. For me, this was very critical in the sense that we needed to start moving with speed to implement some of the projects that we promised football stakeholders in our manifesto as we campaigned for these positions, and this gives us an opportunity to now hit the ground running, to go back to the drawing board and to see how we can find solutions to our problems internally.